हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 8 साइंस के चैप्टर नंबर 11 द ह्यूमन आई का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। द आइरिस ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई डिटरमाइंस द कलर ऑफ ए पर्सन आईज। द लाइट सेंसिटिव स्क्रीन ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई इज कॉल्ड रेटिना. The cone-shaped cells on the retina respond to the bright light. The defect of vision in which eyeball becomes smaller than its normal size is called hypermetropia. A concave lens is used to correct myopia and a convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia. State true or false for the following statements. Iris is the muscular assembly that controls the size of the pupil. True. The eye lens forms a virtual erect and diminished image of an object on the retina. False. The retina of the human eye has a large number of cone-shaped and rod-shaped cells. The rods can respond even in dim light. True. Kinematography makes use of the persistence of vision of the human eye. True. For a normal human eye, the range of vision is from nearly 25 centimeter to infinity. True. Myopia is caused due to excessive curvature of the cornea. True. Next, tick the correct option. The change in focal length of an eye lens to focus the image of objects at varying distances is brought about by the action of ciliary muscles. The impression of the image formed on the retina of the human eye remains there for about 1/16 second. The human eye can focus objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This ability of the eye is known as power of accommodation. A nearsighted person will face difficulty while reading a street signboard across the street. The defect of the human eye in which the eye lens of a person gets progressively cloudy resulting in blurred vision is called cataract. The Braille system for visually challenged person is a textual aid. Next, answer the following questions in brief. Name the part of the human eye which acts as a protective layer for the eye. Cornea. The pupil appears black. Why? No light is reflected from pupil. Hence, the pupil appears black. Next question है, differentiate between rod-shaped and cone-shaped cells, near point and far point of human eye. Rod-shaped cells get activated in dim light while cone-shaped cells get activated in bright light. Second है, near point of human eye is 25 centimeter while far point is infinity. Next question है, state the difference between first myopia and hypermetropia, second textual aid and auditory aid. Myopia, hypermetropia, difficulty in seeing distant objects, eyeball gets elongated, focal length of eye lens decreases, corrected by concave lens. Hypermetropia, difficulty in seeing nearby objects, eyeball gets shortened, focal length of eye lens increases, corrected by convex lens. Textual aid work on the touch receptors, that is skin, while auditory aids rely on our ability to hear. Braille system is an example of textual aids. Audiocast is an example of auditory aid. Next question is define the terms blind spot on the retina. Second, persistence of vision of human eye. This is the spot where the optic nerve meets the retina. No photosensitive cells are present at this spot, so no image is formed at this spot. Hence, this is called the blind spot. An image lasts on the retina for 1/16 second. This is called persistence of vision of human eye. Movies and animation work on this concept. Give the meaning of terms power of accommodation of the human eye, least distant of distant vision, range of vision. The ability of the human eye to clearly focus on nearby as well as distant objects. Second, the maximum distance up to which a normal eye can clearly see. Third, the angle up to which a normal person can see with his/her eyes. Next question is, what happens to the image distance in the eye when the distance of the object from the eye increases? Irrespective of the object distance, the image distance in the eye is always same because image is always formed on the retina in a person with normal vision. Next question is, when Sahil tried to read a book by keeping it at a distance of 25 cm, the text print appeared to be blurred. First question is the image of the text getting formed before the retina or beyond the retina of his eye? Second, what conclusion can be drawn about the least distance of distinct vision of Sahil's eye? A person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter distantly. What can be said about the likely size of his eyeball? State the nature of the corrective lens that needed to restore his proper vision. His eyeball has become elongated. He needs to use a concave lens to correct his vision defect. Next question is, answer the following questions. Draw a labeled sketch of the human eye. Explain the function of the following parts of the human eye: cornea, iris, pupil, eye lens, ciliary muscles, retina, optic nerves. Structure of human eye. Cornea protect the eye. Iris adjusts the size of pupil. Pupil allows light to enter the eye. Eye lens focuses the rays of light or retina. Ciliary muscles controls the variations in focal length of eye lens. Retina, image is formed on retina. Optic nerves carries signals from the eye to the brain. Next question, explain how we perceive objects as they are. Light rays from an object enter our eyes and pass through the lens. The lens focuses these rays on the retina. An inverted, real and smaller image is formed on the retina. This stimulates photoreceptors in the eye. The optic nerve picks signals from the eye and sends it to the brain. The brain interprets the signals and we are able to see an object. State any 5 precautions that are needed to take care of our eyes. Following are 5 precautions to take care of our eyes. First, do not read in dim light or too bright light. Do not keep your book too close to your eyes. Don't look directly at the sun. Wash your eyes gently with clean water. Take balanced diet. Next question, explain how optical and non-optical aids help visually challenged persons to develop their skills to a higher level. Optical aids can help a partially visual impaired person. Optical aid can enhance the image or text so that the person can see them with some clarity. Non-optical Aids rely on other sense organs like skin or ears. Tactual aids like Braille rely on the sense of touch. Auditory aids like audio cassettes rely on sense of hearing. These aids can help a visually impaired person to learn how to read and how to communicate effectively. Next question is, what is the Braille system? How does it help the visually challenged persons? This is a system of raised dots on paper by which a visually impaired person can read or write. There are 63 characters in the Braille system. It proved to be a boon for visually challenged because books could be made in this system. Next देखते हैं value based questions. When Sumit joined his new school, he soon developed a very good understanding and friendship with Hamid. Some miscreant students did not like this and succeeded in creating misunderstanding between them. Their physics teacher observed their resulting indifference towards each other behavior. She called both of them to her room and told them about a generally age-related defect of the eye. She explained to them that in this defect an occupied layer comes over the eye lens and blurs the vision. In the same way, she went on, misunderstanding can blur our thinking and weaken our mutual friendship and trust. She advised them to have a clear and open discussion with each other as this would help in clearing their misunderstandings and reviving their friendship. What values are displayed by the class teacher in the above situation? The class teacher shows a concern for mental well-being of her students. Name the defect vision caused by formation of an occupied layer over the eye. Cataract. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा और अपने दोस्तों के भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।